Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm your Jake of all trades. Today we're talking about wireless microphones. The Rode Go Wireless 2 kit is probably the most popular model of wireless microphones with you know hobbyist, enthusiast level photographers, filmmakers, stuff like that. And today I'm going to talk about two slightly more affordable options. One is the Boya XM6, and then I've got the 7 Rims iRay DW20. I already shot this video once and realized that I didn't put on the headphones and get the levels about the same, so now I'm shooting it again. Okay, let the test begin. Okay, so this is the Boya XM6. I'm using the wired lavalier microphone with a windscreen. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And now without the windscreen. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And now the microphone built into the transmitter. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And now I'm using the 7 Rims iRay DW20 with the wired lavalier mic and the windscreen. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And now without the windscreen, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And now the microphone built into the transmitter. The quick brown fox jumped into the lazy dog. Now that's a headline. And if you thought that was it, well, have I got a surprise for you. The 7 Rims iRay DW20 has USB-C audio out, so it charges the receiver and can run audio straight to your computer, which is what I'm doing right now. And I'm using the wired lavalier mic and the windscreen. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Now without the windscreen. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And now just the transmitter's built-in microphone. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Okay, so now we're back on my normal mic here, and I want to go over a few things. Packaging and presentation isn't everything, but it counts, and let me show you why. The Boya SM6, which is a fantastic microphone, I really like the sound of it. It's been a good friend. I mean, it comes in a box, but the carrying case you get is this fake leather pouch. It's pull strings. It's convenient. This is the entire kit. It's, it's not so bad. You get a wired lavalier mic and a windscreen for each of the transmitters. In the pack I got, there were 2, so 2 of each. You get a USB-C charging cable for each transmitter and the receiver. And for each transmitter, you get a clip-on windscreen for the built-in microphone. It's got these little, they look kind of like spider teeth, little mandibles that clip in and help you screen out the wind if you're just using them without the wired microphone. Not bad, not great. For the same price, 7 Rims gives you this nice zippered, textured, some sort of nylon covered hard case. And you get it all right there. You've got your 2 transmitters, your receiver. The wire is a heavier gauge on the wired microphone. The windscreen has a little rubber sleeve in it to keep it in place and just to keep it in good shape. Both of them also have 3.5 millimeter male-to-male cables to connect to your camera or your cell phone if you have a headphone jack on there. And even though I've been using these a while, I've never actually gotten into this. So this is the 7 Rims Well, yeah, actually, they both come with a TRRS into the receiver to a TRRS, which goes into your cell phone's headphone jack if it has one. And it also comes with a male-to-male TRS to TRS for use with your cameras. It's probably noteworthy that 7 Rims gives you these nice coily cables. Boya does not. Theirs comes with straight cables. Also, all of the cables included with the Boya microphone kit are a thinner gauge, and it could just be heavier shielding, or it could be heavier gauge wire. I don't know. Those stats are not available to me. And where the Boya microphone kit comes with a little charging cable for each transmitter and the receiver, the 7 Rims kit comes with this lovely USB-C 3-headed cable that connects to a single USB-A port on your computer. The orange cable is for the receiver. You plug that in, plug it into your computer, and that's how you get USB-C audio out of the receiver. Packaging, presentation, stuff like that. I give extra points to 7 Rims, and I think you would too. Personally, I feel like it's a no-brainer, a hard shell case versus a pouch. You go with the hard shell case, you know, because you can always get a sandwich bag if you don't like the hard shell case. Which one of these would you feel better about if they fell down a flight of stairs? Both of these kits run about $170 on Amazon right now. The Rode Go Wireless 2, I believe, was running for $299. I've seen other YouTube videos of people comparing either of these microphone kits to the Rode Go Wireless 2. And to my ears, they seemed pretty comparable, so the budget option makes sense to me. I also saw that there is a Godox microphone kit, similar caliber build. I have no idea how it sounds. I haven't tested it. I just saw that it exists. And I'm very interested in that because Godox makes really excellent camera lights and stuff. Very highly regarded company there, so I'm curious as to how they do with sound and not just light. Thanks again for stopping by. I'm your Jake of all trades. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, share on social media, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a bunch.